Hello everyone. In 2026, hairdressing is finally moving away from strict geometry towards adaptability and natural texture. Bob and Pixie remain the main favorites, but in a completely new interpretation. Bob's evolution, from austerity to gentleness. The leader of the year will be British Bob. This is the golden mean between classic and carelessness. Unlike a clear square, here the ends of the hair are milled, creating the effect of light movement. This haircut is ideal for those who appreciate the shape, but do not want to spend the morning pulling their hair with an iron. For volume lovers, the bubble bob remains relevant, rounded shape, turned-in edges, and an emphasis on density, which visually rejuvenates the face and emphasizes the jawline. The micro bob also remains in trend, an extra, short length to the earlobe, which opens the neck and makes the image as stylish and architectural as possible. Pixie 2026. A game of lengths and contrasts. Pixie in 2026 is no longer just a short haircut. At the peak of popularity, the long pixie was a variant with long bangs almost reaching the chin and a short nape. This allows you to change the image in a matter of minutes, from a daring comeback to romantic waves around the face. Special attention should be paid to the pixie bob, a hybrid of two legendary haircuts. It retains the volume of the bob, but has open temples and nape, which makes it ideal for fine hair. For the most daring, Garçon returns in modern processing, a minimum of details, a maximum of natural structure that emphasizes the natural features of the face. The main trend, individual customization. The key feature of 2026 is adaptability. Stylists no longer follow rigid patterns. Any haircut, be it bob or pixie, adapts to the shape of the face and lifestyle. Textured layers, soft transitions, and the possibility of lazy styling make these hairstyles versatile.